But once I had this client with a wine and spirits store and they wanted to expand it. And their idea was to enclose part of the building that wasn't set up yet and put in all things wine. Fancy wine chillers, the really cool cork openers. And before they did that, I asked them, do they understand who the target market was? And they said, of course, Charles, our target market is everybody. We have folks that just turned 21 to 80-year-olds, to the rich, to the lower income. Even the mayor has been in here. So I asked them to do something first. For one full day, take a legal yellow pad and write down everybody who had kind of come into the store, categorize them, so to speak. White collar, blue collar, male, female, just for one day. So they did that. Came back to see me the following week. Said, Charles, you're not going to believe this. What's that? Well, we had 100 plus customers come in for the day, which is pretty good, by the way. And in the liquor store, people don't come in to shop, they come in to buy. So, 90 something of them bought something. And out of the 90 something of them that made a purchase, I think about 70 or so were blue collar men, a little bit older than me, drove pickup trucks, and most of them bought whiskey, and not by the half-gallon handle size, but by the pint. So what was kind of the moral of that story? They realized very quickly that was not the right customer for all things wine. They still built out the rest of the store, but instead they built it out with additional tobacco products, beef jerky, things that other customer might have appreciated. So what does that mean to you? Before you start adding on additional services or thinking about other things that you can be doing, think about who your target market is, what they want, and make sure you're providing a solution that they need.